Alright guys, I'm getting ready to put this mild 355 with a 4-speed setup in this Nova Wagon. My brother from another mother, Donnie.
Hey, how y'all?
He's going to give me a hand here. We like to work on old cars and build old cars.
Definitely.
That's it been 22 years since I even started working on this.
Yeah. Yep. 22 years and look where you're at.
Yeah. Finally getting it back together. We're getting the band back together.
You're getting the band back together, man. We're going to tear it up.
Okay. You should be able to steer that thing pretty much where you want. You just gotta make sure it's centered.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Go down a little bit.
We're good there.
Oh.
Okay. Go back some?
Nope.
No.
Let me take this crank bolt out. Because I think I can push it back.
Okay.
Alright, go down a little bit more. Oh, you're alright. That's my fault. Almost like a glove.
No kidding. Looking good. Let me know when.
Go down. Alright, go in a little bit.
Okay. Going in.
That's what she said. Okay, hold on. What did I hit? Alright, down.
Okay. No, things going in, so.
Are we hooking on anything?
It looks good when you hit your clutch pedal there.
My arm?
Yeah.
That should be back out of the way enough. Yeah, let it down.
There we go.
Oh. Okay. You can go down.
Oh, wow.
Oh. That bolt's in.
This the other one?
Yep. You need the light?
I don't think so.
You need to go down? I just need to go down a little bit. You ready?
Yep. There we go. Just gotta put the nut and bolt on it.
You mean your nut?
Or yeah, my nut. Got my bolt on.
Yeah, you know what we gotta do? We gotta go underneath there and slide that 4-speed in.
Again.
And then we can put that on the cross member. That went in pretty good.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
What? Yeah, I'm looking at that Z-bar. I had that hooked up once before. How did I do that?
I don't know. You can make a little.
Something's not right there. What is wrong?
All right. There we go.
Yep. That Z-bar down there is not cooperating. I'm going to have to find out if there's a difference between a 6-cylinder and a V8.
Ooh, yeah.
Because I'm thinking there is.
Yeah, it must be. That's way off. All right.
Well, as much as I don't want to. We gotta go underneath. You know, this would probably be easier. Maybe. Nope.
Oh.
Yep.
Good?
Down.
Let it down?
Yeah, just a little bit. Okay. That seat is right in the way of the shifter hand.
Oh, there we go. Yay. Oh.
Now we can go up, Donnie.
Oh, man, you scared me for a minute, though.
Okay, now I gotta find my other cross number. There it is. The stopper! Yeah, I get to go back underneath here, dude. There's well on both. Okay, Donnie.
Okay, I'll wait till you get under so you can see it.
Up says me.
Keep going up.
Well, kind of.
Yeah,
There
kind
it goes.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay.
I gotta see which way this has got to go.
After 22 years, got a motor sitting in between the fenders.
You know what?
Uh,
Wonder what Derek from Vice Grip Garage is doing today. He's probably, oh wait a minute, I think he's down in Texas sweating. And I'm up here in Ohio sweating.
they're all sweating.
Yes, we watched Derek from Vice Grip
I
Garage.
watched it too.
I watched Tony from Stay Tuned. You ever watch him?
Stay tuned. I think I've seen them on there. I don't think I watched them. You need help? You alright?
Am I alright?
Well, I know you're not alright, but
Well, I guess if I could find the hole. I know it's a personal problem.
oh yeah, there it is. You found the hole, winner.
Kind of. Kind of did.
Well, better than not.
It's in there.
Hell yeah.
But I'm gonna have to do some clearancing on the floor.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe. Get in there. See if you can move that shifter.
Move it up.
No, just move it, shift it.
Up against the seat.
Okay.
Here that is.
Shift. Now does it go forward?
Hard to get it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clearance the floor a little bit. And probably cut so just a little bit more for the hump.
Yeah.
But yeah. It's got a little bit of clearance on the bottom. But she's setting, you can go ahead and let the weight of the jack off.
Alrighty.
Go ahead.
Down more? Yep.
Okay.
There she is.
All right, fellers.
There's a motor in this thing.
22 years is a long time. She's got her motor in her again. Now the fun starts. hooking up the wiring, figuring out what I can run for a distributor. What else? Oh, I got to put the headers on it. Now I'm going to have to find a Z-bar.
Okay.
Because I'm thinking that's too long.
Yeah, I think so.
That should be
That.
up. So evidently a 6-cylinder and a V8's different. It's right down there. So that right there, fellas, I'm learning. I've never put a V8 in one of these. Done a lot of other cars, but not a 64 Nova. So, well, I guess now the fun begins.
Heck yeah.
Oh. All right, guys. Next time, probably doing some wiring, putting headers on. I got to find a Z-bar. What else?
Why we have clutch?
Oh, yeah, I got to get a clutch. But it's getting closer. Until next time, build what you guys want. Don't listen to anybody else. Make yourselves happy. Build what you guys want.